Hey guys, in this video, we'll be doing an accommodation tour of the apartment we stayed in for 3 weeks in Ao Nang Krabi. We love the apartment because of the location and amenities. We are your mid-range travelers, so we do prioritize comfort over budget. So watch this video to see what you can get for $53 AUD a night in Ao Nang Krabi. Hey, I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Tan, a bar manager.
And bridal designer turned full-time travelers.
We left the hustle culture behind. It just wasn't for us.
Join us on our travels as we share helpful tips and search for the most livable city for our new lifestyle.
So we've arrived at the next accommodation in Krabi. We've never been here before. It's our first time. I wanted to come here last year and we're finally here. I booked this apartment through Airbnb because we'll be staying here for a little bit longer, just over 3 weeks. And I think I paid around 1,200 Australian dollars. I was going to say USD, but that's not right. So come and I'll show you what we've got. So this is my room on the second floor. It's the lower ground, not lower ground, but it's the lower floors, but it still is pretty amazing if you see this one. It's not big, it's cozy, but it has everything we need. For the well-equipped kitchen, hot plates for cooking, we've got a kettle down there, we've got a rice cooker, being in Asia, all the bits you need, cooking utensils, knives, some pots and pans. The host did tell us no heavy cooking and frying because it's such a small apartment and we might set off the fire alarm, which was okay, we won't be doing that. Yeah, cups, glasses, microwave obviously. Here's got some cleaning products because we'll be staying for longer. Everything is new. I feel like they change each time they get a new guest. I think maybe people do tend to stay here a little bit longer. And we get cleaning once a week included. So they will refresh everything as well. The only thing is they don't have a work desk, which is not ideal for us. This is gonna be it. But downstairs there are like a gazillion cafes, and being Southeast Asia, the co-working spaces and the cafes are amazing to do that in, so that's totally fine with us. But yeah, let's go through, maybe let's do that. So we're not on the highest floor, but it's pretty good. And it's got so much like natural light as soon as I open this up. You do see a little bit of a car park, but I'm not looking at that. I'm really looking at beyond that, which is the beautiful limestone cliffs in the ocean. It's a very steep road coming up here, so I doubt you get a lot of people in traffic anyway.
Maybe let's get outside.
I don't know how to open the door. Oh, okay, it's like unlocked.
Get the view first.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
It's like everywhere here. It's just what Krabi is known for.
Washing machine here. It's brand new too.
I think everything's even really well kept or brand new in Asia. This is the thing that Asian parents always keep on. It doesn't matter how old the appliance is, you always see it keeps it new.
Yeah.
But this gets all like weird the building. Oh, we got a bathroom in here. So again, not massive, but it's sort of enough. Got some standard cupboard space. Does it open up here? Oh, okay, opens up here, so then you've got a bit more space in here. It's not much going on there. And yeah, just the bathroom. Big shower. The shower's big.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's nice and clean, which is important because I'm really about the cleanliness.
Let's get to our room, hey?
This is up there, room. Again, it's not massive, but it's sort of enough with that beautiful view. Once again, get ready desk and just a small wardrobe with a safe and an iron as well. So they can do your laundry for you. She said, how much was it again?
70 baht per
Per
kilo.
kilo, which is so good.
Yeah.
If you're feeling lazy, just put it in the bag and chuck it down reception and then get it sorted.
Yeah.
But we have a washing machine as well, so 70 baht, how much is that? It's like $3 in Australia, right?
Yeah, $3.
That's amazing. That's why I love stuff. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna head out and explore. We're hungry. Got some food.
This is the pool, just straight out from our room. It's small, but pretty nice pool. And that is the rooftop that we can get up to, level 6. I think we can watch the sunset from up there. This is my favorite part of this accommodation. It's a gym. It's not a big gym. It's quite compact. I've got pretty much everything good equipped. So that will do for me.
Our condo is slightly on a hill, so they have a buggy that takes us up and down this. It is quite steep.
Yeah.
Not slightly for me, but so pretty.
Alright, this is the surrounding of where we stay. This is off the main street. It's quite busy here. Hello. It's stuff here. Pretty much can find anything here. Cafe. Lots of bars and restaurants.
This is the main street, really. It's just one long road. Some cannabis and all that.
So there you have it. Did you enjoy the video? Thailand is truly a wonderful place where your money goes so much further. For just $53 AUD, you actually get a wonderful condo with gym, pool, great location, and just the overall lifestyle is amazing. Would you stay somewhere like this in Thailand? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and adventures in Thailand. See you next time!